So it's a hydrogen mist sprayer from Oasi, you guys. Unique item, hydrogen mist sprayer by this company right here, you guys. I found them on Instagram. I reached out to them and they were honoring to send me a product to use it. And man, when I used this, I was like, what? Like, it just made my makeup and skin just go on so much smoother. And any product I put on my face, it just applies it very evenly, very nice. I really enjoyed it and it felt so good. This cute all white box. Their packaging has simplicity but very modern and chic. And it has the cutouts right here, very like kind of like apple, and the material is very stiff. It has weight to the package, so it just slides and voila. Isn't that great packaging? Look how it's just made properly just right there in the center for it to not move around or anything. I love it, I love it, I love it. So let's look at it. It's very nice and small, easy to use. You just screw right here and that's how you apply your liquid right there on the top. Very lightweight. And you clean it with apple cider and vinegar mixed with water. They put a sticker on where the logo is at. We're gonna apply that off. And you just slide this down to turn it on. Yes, it has a charger right here and it comes with a cord, and all you're gonna have to purchase is the USB block. Very nice, very easy and simple. When it's fully charged, it changes colors. In the package, you get the nice cord and it just goes in the bottom very easily and simple to charge it up. Just make sure it's in there correctly. It's gonna have like that. And then of course you can get these blocks from anywhere on Amazon or Walmart, very affordable. And you just plug that baby in. And look at this well-made designer cover to protect it. I'm really loving that. They think of everything. So when it's lit up blue, I don't know if you guys can tell, if it's lit up blue, it's fully charged. And it can last for at least an hour and a half to almost 2 hours. Because all you're going to do is just spray your face evenly, put the toner on there evenly, and apply any facial soap or anything like that evenly, or even just really great organic water. Don't put still water or tap water. Try to put the best water. I prefer the Mountain Valley Springs water. And I'm gonna apply that in there and see how this baby works. Water in there, I filled it up all the way to the top, you guys, and I'm just gonna let it get to work. It is feeling so refreshing. Get that go. Can you guys see? Oof, I love it. So that on and off button is just slid right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little minus sign and nothing there on the bottom. You just slide your hand off and on like that. Very easy. Nothing is designed in the back. And again, you just twist it on the top. So refreshing, and it's relaxing my muscles and my attention. And if you're wearing contacts, like I'm wearing color contacts right now, it is bringing moisture to those contacts and it's relieving my eyes. I'm loving this. Loving it, loving it, loving it. If your lips feel a little dry, just spray that on there. It's so healthy and refreshing, you guys. And I'm gonna go real close so you can really see the fine mist. Oh my gosh, it feels so good in my eye. Now it's really for to apply your toner evenly on your face or bring moisture to your skin before applying makeup. But for me, I'm loving it for my eyes. I love it. Oh my gosh, I can just do this all day. It's so relaxing. It's great. So they did give me a wonderful discount code to give you guys, and that is so nice of them because they didn't really have to provide anything for you guys. So if you did want to try this out or feel like you're contacts are dry, your skin's getting a little dry, or you just want to try something different for your face to get that even tone complexion, that's the discount code right there. Oh, it's making me happy. Look at that, you guys. Didn't make too much noise with the mist, and I didn't use too much at all either. As you see, just right there, just that's all I needed too. I definitely would apply it somewhere indoors so the wind and the debris is not in the way, you know what I mean? Or in the car would be even good. But boy, these contacts feels good, and it didn't do no damage to my makeup. I have a good layer of makeup on my face. It didn't run my makeup down. It just gave moist to it and makes my skin look a little bit more glowy and hydrated, and I'm just loving this. The pamphlet that they gave me is really easy to read. It's been just to the detail, and it has great pictures to really give you understanding what each item is and what it does, and it's highly detailed with a lot of great information about it, and I really appreciate that. Really am. Thank you so much for providing this wonderful item to me to try out, and I give this thing an A+. It definitely surprised me. I was like, what is the hype about it? I just had to review it, and I'm so glad I did. They also have an Instagram. There it is right there. I love it. It comes out a little bit cold too, so it feels very refreshing once it hits the skin. I'm just gonna keep putting it on as I finish this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unique, different type of video. Let's spray ya. Please hit that subscribe button right there. Subscribe to my channel because I give a lot of great more reviews on great items that you just need to know about and need to see, especially luxury high-end items like this. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys a little later. Bye. Oh. Guys, after using it, I'm in love with it. I just love this little piece. Definitely keep it away from children, you guys, because it is a little pricey. You know, you don't want it to get hurt, but charge it up. Don't overcharge it. Make for sure you charge it for at least less than 3 hours. 2.5, you know, was preferred. It says it on the instructions, and get ready to use it. Use it as much as possible. I just want to show you guys how hydrated my skin feels and looks now, and I am just ready to go outside to just show off my beautiful skin. Why not?